Dolly, Friesian, Yvonne, a lot of water after the snow. Boukje. Belle. En Yveske. En Blomke. Hey. Hey Belle. Yveske. Please don't. I have to do something. Ready again. There's still some snow and ice and a lot of water. Hey Blomke. Yveske en Boukje. And Bella. Bella is eating the hay in the water. Okay. They see Bouke. He's inside the house painting. Hey Boukje. That was a car. Blomke, Boukje. Bella is eating. And on the right, Yveske. Sisters. Hey ladies. Boukje en Blomke. En Yveske en Bella. Friesian. Ah. Hey Yveske. I wanna try that again. I don't have this aside, so I think he's a bit scared. Goed zo. Braaf, hey. Tje. Terug. 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 Goed zo, braaf, hey. Braaf, hey. Tje. Goed zo. Tje, nog een keer. Hey. Terug. 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 Goed zo. Hey, braaf. Oh, that's it. Finally again. On this side of the arena, the sand is already normal again. On the other side, it's a bit frozen. But here it is okay. Terug. Oh, stappen. Goed zo, braaf. Terug. Goed zo. Braaf weer. Terug. Well, I think Reisi is doing okay, but it looks like he is a bit more wobbly in the hind legs today. Maybe that's because we didn't train for a couple of days. Maybe it's because he is always playing with Tyrone. Maybe it's because he's not perfect relaxed. Yes, you name it. Oh, stappen. Oh, goed zo. And then especially his left hind leg. Let op. Galop. No. Galop. Goed zo. Be careful. At least he's happy. Oh, oh. Oh. Okay. Doe braaf, goed zo. Oh, oh. Goed zo, braaf. Braaf, jongen. Oh, maar stappen. Goed zo, Reisi. Ruff. Ruff. He is a bit sweaty, so I put on a blanket. And it's also because today it's a bit warmer than earlier. Hey Sally. Rijntje en Dolly. Peach, Daisy en Glendy. Daisy. Oh, Peach. Yeah, you. Come on, Daisy. In the box. Yeah, Daisy. Daisy always does that when she's in Peter's stall. Peach. Hey. Goed zo. Oh, I don't do anything. Oh, should I give her something or not? I don't want to. When she does it on her own. No, it's not when I'm asking. Cheese! Doe maar. Cheese! Cheese! Goed zo. Cheese! Kom maar. In de box. In de box. Kom maar. Kom maar. In de box. Hallo. In de box. Goed zo. Braaf. Hi there. I have a little problem again. I was trying to put Yvke on the trailer and it went well. And I used this rope with this. I hold on the rope and then she was going back and my hand, I was holding her like this with that rope and then she did go back and my hand was stuck here with that rope. And I can say that hurts a lot. So I thought, well, I have to move it, but look at this. That's not good. But I can move it, but it's turning purple and blue and, well, that's me again. First, my elbow. I broke my elbow thanks to my son. And then last week, Tyrone was on my foot. And it was also blue, but not that bad. But this is kind of blue. So I did my hand under the water, cold water. So maybe it helps. I don't know. Well, I thought she has to go on the trailer. So we did, and my hand is still working, but it's a bit blue. Yeah. So I just keep moving it, and hopefully that's it. Come. Finished. Hello? Come. Well, next time I do the others. Well, it's not that blue anymore, but a bit thick over there. Oops. But it's not broken.